everybody, it's Ricky here with Apple Valley Farm. Wow, I'm just noticing with me wearing this bright yellow shirt, it's Ricky here with Apple Valley Farm though. Thank you for hanging out with me here for a few minutes. I've got a quick challenge that I want to share with you. I need to route a rabbit right here for a picture frame. I don't have a router table, and this piece isn't really wide enough for me to clamp it and then run the router over it. So I'm in a little bit of a dilemma, but I want to show you a quick solution that I've got that you can do too if you don't have a router table. So let me show you what I'm talking about. Here we go. Okay, so I've already got this set up, but let me show you how I did it. So my router is just here on the corner of my work table. I've clamped a 2x4, a scrap 2x4 here with a couple of clamps just to keep it from getting wanky right there on the corner. Then I put my router up against it. Now, because this area right here isn't tall enough for this clamp to get up against, I've got a 1x4 up against that, and now I've got another clamp against that, and then against this edge of the 2x4 that I've got clamped here, and bam, it's all clamped down there really snugly, really safely. And now I can cut my rabbit in here, and I'm going to show you. All right, here we go. All right, that was it. That was super duper simple. And for a lot of you, if you may be, again, like me, if you don't have a router table in your home shop, this is a great solution, a way to safely, kind of not permanently, just temporarily mount your router, do a few things, keep it really safe, really quick and easy, doesn't cost a penny. So I hope that helps you. Give me a shout if you have any questions. Post some pictures and comments. Let me know how you're using this. If you have any improvements, anything like that, I would love to know. You can also give me a shout over at info@applevalleyfarmga.com. You can hook up with us over at www.applevalleyfarmga.com or on any of your favorite social media sites. We should be here, there, and everywhere. Thank you so much. Have a great day. Come back and see me again. Take care, be safe, and go make something.